Hello friends, welcome to another session. So today, as you can see, today we are going to build our basic CRUD operation with the help of React, Context API, and the Bootstrap as well. So we will see this how we are going to build this. So before that, let's look what are the actions that we will have the action like add new row, uh, edit the or update the existing data, and also delete the existing data. So these are the sample rows or sample data that I have collected. So this is only for the experiment. Don't compare with the real one. So and also one more thing, that we are not keeping the data anywhere. So we are just fetching the data from the file at the initial level and just dealing with that whatever the data that we fetch from the file. So so let's see how it is work. So to do this, let's add one new row to the existing row as the information field. I will be put anything for the time being. This is the good car. The price, you can put anything. The company is like anything. So for the this session, we are not going to focus on more on the validation part as well. So because the our motive for this session is like we have to do the basic CRUD operation. So the all those the required thing which is not required for the time being, we will do that later on. So if I click on the add new row, you can see the whatever the row information we have added to the text field, it is appended to the table. So and you can observe like our fields are empty and data have added with or appended to the table. So let's move to the edit functionality. So just I want to edit this one. When I click on the edit, you can observe the data will be fetched into the text field, and the action, this tab, this button will get changed so to the save instead of add the new row, because we are updating the existing one, we are not adding the new one. So if I click over here, you can see the cycle for this one, it is came from this row, and the information, also the price, also the company, and the button is showing as a save instead of add a new row. So let's update this one. I'm adding here best for health, for people, and the price you can update anything. The thing frog. When I click on the save, the data will get update to the particular row, and the action will be come to the initial state. You can see the data has been updated and the action is showing as add new row. So we have another action like delete. So if we want to delete any row, we can delete. You can see if I click on the this row, when I click, the data has been removed from the table. If I can delete the multiple. So this is what we are going to build, or we can see at the end of this session. So bear with me, we will see step by step how we are going to do this our CRUD operation. So let's start to do this.